trap!
Hello my creative viewers. Thanks for watching my videos and crafting art with me for so long. It's great to have you guys be a part of the celebration of my 100th episode. Your blessings and support have made it possible, so a huge thank you from Team ZebsArtbeat. As you can see, here is a twin set of chocolate cakes. Real and unreal. The real creamy delicacy is as mouth-watering as it looks, and it tastes even better. To know the recipe, visit my food channel at ZebsFoodArt, or you can click on the link in description. Now let me show you the making of my most requested pull-out card. Isn't it amazing that how this delicious looking cake happens to be a greeting card? That's surely going to make all your friends jaw drop. So let's surprise your loved ones by making it yourself with few easy steps. Take a small cardboard of 11 into 15 cm and 4 ice cream sticks. Paste the sticks as shown. And now take a plastic and wrap it in the space between the ice cream sticks. Watch carefully how it's done. Keep half of the adhesive side of the tape upward and fix the other end of the plastic on it. Cut off the extra extension of the plastic and seal the end. You can see the plastic is not fixed to the cardboard, it can move freely. Take an A4 size cardboard piece and mark a dot in the center. Draw a line of 9.5 cm from the center. Considering it as the radius, draw and cut a circle. Place the prepared card piece on the circle to get the measurement of the pull-out cards, that is 10 into 15 cm each. Just fix the margin of 1 cm on the plastic. Do not fix the card completely on the plastic. Turn and do the same with the other piece. Keep the card on the stencils to mark the curves on the sides to be eliminated. Punch a hole on one piece only, followed by inserting the string in it. Let's prepare the body of the card now. Place the stencil on 2 cm thick thermocol sheet and cut 2 such pieces out of it. Fix the ice cream sticks on the base foam sheet. Do the same and sandwich the card between the thermocol sheets. Conceal the side opening with a tape. Let's measure the sides to prepare the coating first. That is 5 inches at the card exit and 6.5 inches at the concealed area. Total circumference of the cake is 23 inches. The height is a 2 into 2 cm thick top and bottom foam sheet plus 1 cm opening gap of the card. That is total 5 cm. Now use half centimeter thick colored foam sheet as the fondant. Cut 5 into 58 cm broad piece out of it. Mark as shown and cut it off. glue the foam sheet and fix it on the side. Place the cake on the foam sheet, mark and cut off the circle and fix it on the top. Use a coffee brown shade of acrylic paint to spill the frosting drops. Let it dry. To create the dripping drops effect, I'm using hot glue. Cover the transparency of the glue drops with another coat of same dark brown acrylic shade. Fix the flowers and leaves using hot glue. As this cake card is made to celebrate my 100th tutorial video, I am fixing the digits made of foam sheet on it. Here we are done. Guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our creative team by hitting the bell icon for quick notification. We shall soon be back with more creative craft. Do like, share, and let me know your opinion through your valuable comments. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.